My people, I don't bring una matter from the originators of COVID-19 according to some of una, because some people they talk say na China people bring COVID-19. Una no go believe the latest one wey dey on ground now. Abi, if we wan do COVID test, una already know say the normal way either na nose abi na throat. Now my people, the latest one be say if you wan do coronavirus test now, na through your, you understand, anus. That gundu side no be small matter. News just reach me now. I say make I bring am, and according to them they say through the gundu side na the most effective and fastest way to know whether person get am abi no get am. Hey, wetin we no go see for this world. Abeg, for una wey no know wetin dey happen, because I wan make una hear am from the sources themselves. You understand? Let's watch the video.
China is ramping up efforts to neutralize the coronavirus with another weapon added to an arsenal of border curbs, mass testing and hard lockdowns: anal swabs. While there is no nationwide policy on use of the technique, some residents in China's northern regions have been subjected to the anal swabs with little warning. It involves the insertion of a saline-soaked cotton swab about 2 to 3 centimeters into the anus, with the sample then tested for active traces of the virus. According to local officials, more than 1,000 school children and teachers in Beijing were given anal, throat and nose swabs last week, along with a separate antibody test after one asymptomatic virus case was detected on campus.
I beg, my people, na beg and they beg. Any of una wey dey look me now, if you know say you offend China, start dey apologize. Start dey apologize. It dey very, very serious, because all of us now we go come dey suffer for una wrong. Chineke. Hey. China. I see say people no wan apologize to you. I don't come online now. See, I dey live here. I no see una even dey look me now. Hey, please, I no sabi speak Chinese. In can't change. Forgive us. You understand? Forgive us. Because I don't know where this word can they go again, my people. Imagine they go insert. Not be test where you think, oh, where you go just sit down top something, they don't see result. They go insert the thing inside. Hey! As I think about this whole thing, and only one thing just come to my mind. Number of gay population for this world go so increase. Una no know. Before, na nose, throat. We never even get used to the throat own, where they go pass something. Now they don't bring anus. Abeg, we are in trouble. We are in serious trouble. Now they should say Bobrisky, James Brown, and co. They don't they jolly they go, because now their style be this, and they don't already they used to this thing. So to them, nothing new. Not be to enter coma. Don't they receive these things since now? Chineke. No, una for kukuma tell us say na gay corona test we they can't do. Make so that people go there ready. You understand? Hey, Chineke yo. 2019. They can't tell us say, wetin bring corona na bat and snake. Now we they use nose mask. 2021 now. They say na anus. Abeg this 2021, we wetin come bring am? Where need to lead us to the do test through that side. No, make una watch. Very soon now, they go come they tell us say, una need special pants to wear because of this thing. So why we can't cover our nose and mouth if the virus is concerned with anus? Maybe say we supposed to cover that side now. When I go soon call they give us pants, say we make una wear this one. See, my people, things they happen. And now see they no go come outside straightforward say okay, now their real mission be this. They no go tell una go just sit down there with belly. Before you know it, all of una don't, in fact, they don't transgender all of una. Make una dey careful. Say no. If I be una no gree, I just say, my guys, I know una na. The real men, no be Bobrisky group. The real men, the men way, you understand? abeg make una no gree, una understand? Before something go happen, now all of us go come lose our boyfriends. Please, who is ready to be single? Let me see. Because me, I'm not ready. Abeg, say no to gayism. Say no to you understand? Make they carry their corona test, they go. You understand? Abi, una get corona. I look like who get corona. Fine babe like me. Abeg, my people, another interesting gbege dey here. No be small thing, o. Abeg, all of una wey know say una get prophet, I don bring im matter come una table today, o. Oh yes, Jesus. As I dey talk to una now, matter reach me say they don arrest this man. E be like say the apology video wey him do, e be like say e no reach government. Because una know say Nigeria government, they no dey play with their currency. E be like say that thing really break their heart, and now they can't send me, they arrest the guy. But some people come, they tell me, say, Madam Aproko, this thing na fake. Say this guy do this thing. Now I sit down. I can't start the, you understand, the strategize, they think, they plan. Now I can't reach conclusion. If it be possible, say this guy fake this thing, no. Make una relax. Una know why? Because now this man himself come outside say today he dey resurrect the dead. 7 dead bodies. Now today again, we can't hear say they arrest him. Abeg, how? Why? Bow. Hey, wetin we no go see for this place. And according to that, even they make mouth, they talk say, now in the, wetin they call that thing? They raise billionaires. They help government raise billionaires. My brother, as you don't enter prison, if not true, make your billionaires come bail you out. You understand? Because me, you no go even see me. Chineke. Number of my people, things they share. See person wey to say him be man of God, him be this one, him be this one. So wait, upon all the visions where they see, you they see for other people, you they this man fit see. If he see wetin never even exist. So upon all the see when they see, you know say they go arrest you so that you go plan yourself. Chai! Now go come tell me say, God no show am that one. God knows. I beg you, leave matter for Matthias. Who be this one? Whether na real, whether na fake. Make una better carry this man go mortuary first before anything, before any arrest go take place. Because when I see that dead body, he must raise them. I don't already set challenge. So una no go come spoil my own for me. You understand? Carry and go down mortuary. Odumeje they even wait for her. So may they go finish this thing first. No be you not think say we mumu. You go raise 7 dead bodies. This and this. All of a sudden they don't arrest you. Me, I know they buy that story. Make una forget time. Forget time. If you know say you dey against wetin I talk, may we battle am for that comment section. Me, I no agree. You understand? For the apology video, nothing where this guy no talk. He talk this one, he talk even English where I don't even understand. He just talk plenty things. See, he no good to lie. And now, this one, he get people where they follow him back to back, saying a prophet, now this one, where they can't dey now. True, if you get real people, time of trouble, they supposed come out. So how come we know they see members, I be in personal assistant, I be this one. Maybe they know deceive you now. It dey very clear. No be my handwriting. Even God himself talk am. Say end time. When end time reach, many fake pastors will come. They will say, I did this one. He say he no go even know them. So now we sit down there, say una get this one. Na lie. Na big lie. Now the dead body come make him arrest himself. My brother, Biko, I know say they hear me now. You understand? Anytime when they release you, if not true, make I no go talk say this one. Understand? Anytime when they release you, we go down mortuary. If you like, come out next year. We go down mortuary, go raise those 7 bodies where you talk about. I know like people where they come outside, they make noise. Show yourself. I beg my people, no be smart, you know. Na the matter where they ground now. And they should say God go down the shaking head tire for that place where you see that. You get plenty cases where you go judge, no be smart thing. I Abeg, I wan know wetin una still think for this matter. Oh, as they don arrest una prophet, all of una wey dey call her prophet. I wan know wetin una think for this matter. How una see am? Na true they arrest am, abi na lie they no arrest am? I still wan know una comment, so drop am for the comment section. Share this video. E dey very very important because he need hear me. He need know say anytime we come out from that place, we go that mortuary together. Very very important. Subscribe if you never subscribe and click on that notification bell so that you no go miss anything when we drop. Love you guys. See you later.